Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're programming a transmission control module in a Holden VF Commodore. First off, click on the TCM tile. This will then bring up and come through to the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. After licensing, you can come back and perform any flashing or learn procedures at any time. We're going to go ahead, click on the learn functions along the top, and if this was a replacement TCM, we can click the VIN security link, but as this is actually the car's factory one, we're going to go to the flashing tab. We can see here our current and required files that are in there. We also have our configurable options tab. We can see we have paddle shifts. Since it's a 2014 vehicle, we can disable or enable them. We're going to leave that as enabled. We're going to go back to our calibration IDs, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the right button. Once we click that, we'll have a pop-up indicating that it's going to put a factory tune into the transmission control module. This is important since if you have a custom tune, this will remove that custom tune to put the factory files on it. Before doing anything, do make sure you do have a battery maintainer on, and then click OK when ready to go. This will then begin downloading the required files, and then it will begin the flashing sequence. So we can see here it's just about to start uploading these calibration files. Now these updates can take anywhere from about 45 seconds to a minute if it's a calibration only flash. And what this means is basically if it doesn't need to update the operating system. So if your operating system, the current and required are two different numbers, that means it needs to do an operating system or OS update, and that can take several minutes to complete. This is why it's really important to have a battery maintainer fitted, since during those few minutes you don't want your voltage to get low, otherwise it can cause a problem or a failed flashing action. So this is about to finish up now. This is the largest file of them all. The rest are quite quick. There we go. This is then going to finalize the flash routine, which is our last few little sequence that it needs to complete. And then it will have a pop-up indicating that it has completed successfully. So once that pop-up comes up, indicates we can do an ignition cycle and clear all faults. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.